In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Getresponse landing pages. We'll walk through the simple manual path that uses pre-designed templates and the drag and drop editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a live working landing page. First, log into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. There, you'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your landing pages will live and where you'll create new ones. On the Landing Pages screen, look for the button that says Create Landing Page. Go ahead and click that. This starts the setup process and takes you into the landing page creation area. Now you'll see different ways to build a page. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple and use the ready-made designs. Click on the option that says Use a ready-made template. This opens a gallery of professionally designed templates organized by different goals and industries. Take a moment to browse through the templates. You can usually preview them to see how they look on desktop and mobile. When you find a template that matches your style or goal, hover your mouse over it and click Select, or it may appear as Use Template. Depending on the interface version you're seeing, this will load that template into the drag and drop editor. Inside the editor, you can customize the page so it fits your brand and message. To change any text, simply double-click on it and start typing. You can adjust headings, body text, button labels, and more. On the right-hand side, you'll see a toolbar with different elements, such as buttons, images, text blocks, and other content. To add something new, click and drag it from the toolbar onto your page, then drop it where you want it to appear. Take your time to tweak colors, fonts, and images so everything feels consistent. When you're happy with the design, look to the top right corner of the editor and click Next Step. This will take you to the settings page for your landing page. Here, you'll need to enter a name for your page. This is usually just for your internal reference, so choose something descriptive that helps you recognize it later. Next, review your URL and list settings. Make sure the web address looks good and that the correct email list is selected if you're collecting signups. Once everything looks right, click Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to share.